Diego. These are the Lions of Bugoigo.
Timu ya Bugoigo Leopards zitwire ekikopo ky'Empaka esenye timu ya Parasimba agora 2-0 omuzakamalirizo kandi golo ezibakize abusingizi zitebwe Charles Odongo hamwe na Ivan Adibango. Zo Empaka ezabakazi sinjirwe timu ya Uganda Martyrs FC esanuye timu ya Nyamukuta.
It's blocked away into a corner kick.
Alan Atigonza ore MP wa Buliisa hamwe na Nora Bigirwa ore MP w'abakazi abwa Buliisa abakira mukoro gu bajengo Empaka zibarekire n'ikikuru munonga okutungura interanta n'emizano omuri Buliisa.
I want to thank you total for the support you have given us in the sports fraternity. Everyone is attesting that this is the first time that women league, maybe ladies, are playing football in this district. Personally, I've really enjoyed these two teams, Bugoigo Leopards and Parasimba.
And sports is one of the things that is causing us to keep healthy. We want to appreciate all energies that I want to believe today with all the team that have been very participating all through this season, that our young men and women are really very healthy.
We start by crawling, then after we move there. I know next time when we are here, as they have said, in Andamere is always the host for the finals, we shall have ladies in who are putting on footwear, as we call it in refereeing.
But I thank all of you for being so peaceful. You can imagine you are more than 10,000 here. If you are not peaceful, I know some people here would be very busy. But I think you have made life very easy for our security personnel. The police are now idle. The police are idle because they have no work.
Tujja kontinengo kikola buli mwaka mu Buliisa ne munoya.
Timu abina mukaga arichana mukaga zetabwa mu Empaka ezabacyara gwegwe mu rwego kubanza kweta mu Empaka keze kuba buri mwaka kandi abasinjire bayirwe bicyonce birimo ekikopo medali hamwe na miliyoni 4 wa kabiri yatora miliyoni 2 kandi wa kashatu asinjire mitwaro 50.